Ugaruruku munene ni utanyitwo sekta-ini ya githomo angikorwo mutaratara mweru wa githomo uria wendekithitio ni ugwitikirika. Uu ni thutha wa mihang'o ya kugeria mutaratara ucio mweru wa 2663 kwambiriria guothe bururi-ini. Mutaratara uyu utanyitwo kuoya ithenya ria mubango wa 844 uria nyitite misekta-ini no makoretwo makiuga ni muhituke ni ihinda. Cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Ndurarua, mihang'o ya kugeria mutaratara uyu ni guthiaga na mbere irathi-ini cia nathari, kirathi kia mbere o ndumwe na kirathi gia keri. Kuringana na arutani aria maririe na Kameme TV ni maugire ni makenetio ni mubango uyu, makiuga ni ukurehe ugaruruku muingi sekta-ini ya githomo.
We've really embraced the new curriculum. One, from the ongoing lesson, you found that people are more involved in the lesson. You found that the people are participating. They are given time even to express their opinion.
This curriculum, that is the competence-based curriculum, it is more interactive because the teacher is there as a guide. Then after you guide the children should do the work by themselves.
Mweneni wake munene wa thukuru uyu Irene Musyoka ni augire we ni egutigirira mubango uyu ni wetikirika, akiuga ni ekunyitanira na arutani kugacirithia mubango ucio.
I am fully prepared to support my teachers with all what we have in the school to implement the piloting program, because it is not about us, it's about the Kenyan child.
Na kwa kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, macukuru maria marathuritwo kugeria mubango uyu ni mathire naguo na mbere kuria arutani maugire ni wambiriirie macukuru-ini mao.
Values should be included in the curriculum so that we get better, or we get future citizens who are going to be responsible in their thinking and in their actions.
Mihang'o ta ino no ithire na mbere kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Temple Road. Mutaratara uyu wa 2663 ni ugukorwo ukimurika makiria githomo kia nathari na oho kweheria mutaratara wa kugeria arutwo na igerio cia kibururi. Cukuru wa Ndurarua Primary ni umwe wa mathukuru magana mana ma mirongo mugwanja hari kaunti ciothe 47 aria mambiriirie mutaratara mweru wa 2663 hari ciana cia kirathi kia mbere kana uria marauga grade 1. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.